Hello audience, today we're going to talk about my 13-year-old dog Paco, a mixture of like lab and hound, something like that. We're going to talk about his skin allergies. Paco's dealt with skin allergies all his life, therefore I've had to provide special care for him as a result. And above all, I give him a pill of Verilog each day. You can get that as a prescription at your local vet if you have a dog with skin allergies. It's worked for my dog better than anything else. And my dog Paco also has arthritis, and I buy this glucosamine chondroitin pills, to help treat his arthritis. It will help build up the cartilage back in his legs and stuff like that, and it will assist with, supporting his arthritis better. You can buy this in the pharmacy area at Walmart, or maybe pharmacy areas at your other local stores. So anyway, Paco gets a bath once a week. Well, first he gets his ears cleaned, and we're gonna walk through. I'm gonna go ahead and walk you through the process right now. Be back in a minute. All right, as I may have mentioned in my last video, I can't remember if I did or not, but on top of Paco's allergies, he gets really bad drainage in his ears, and I have to, clean out his ears as well as everything else. And my vet told me to use distilled white vinegar, mix it with water, half and half water, half vinegar. So go ahead and get some distilled vinegar in the speaker. Alright, now add just about as much water. Go ahead and mix it up good. Alright, got that accomplished. Let's go to my bathroom. Alright, here's some of my supplies for cleaning out Paco's ears and giving him a bath. Got the solution there that I just mixed. And got his Catachlor shampoo. You can purchase this at your local vet. It's special allergy shampoo that will help, that will help soak into your dog's skin and, ease his allergies somewhat. Got Q-tips for cleaning out his ears. Got, these paper towels to assist as well. And I also have these latex gloves that I wear for cleaning out Paco's ears, and also putting the shampoo on him. And I also have a heater in my bathroom. It's winter time here in Tennessee, and I use a heater to keep the bathroom nice and warm whenever I give Paco a bath, because whenever I put Paco's shampoo in, I have to have him stand outside the tub and let the shampoo soak in for about 8 to 10 minutes. And if the bathroom's not heated, then Paco would freeze to death. So we want to be sure to provide him with adequate heat. I also have blankets spread out where Paco will be standing, towel to dry him off. And if your dog is an outside dog and you like, you know, give your dog a bath and your dog goes right back outside afterwards, you're going to want to use a dog dryer to help, help more with, getting his fur nice and dry. And I'm going to go ahead and point out something. This right here is a regular hair dryer. Do not use a regular hair dryer to dry your dog off after his bath. These regular hair dryers here put out way too much heat for your dog. I mean, your dog will suffer if you use a regular hair dryer to dry with. Dogs' body temperatures are higher than a human's body temperatures, and they can't take the heat of a regular dryer like this one. What you're going to want to use is a dog dryer, a dryer designed specifically for dogs. There's two styles for them, and got this online several years ago. I've had it for about 7 years. Yeah, this is my dog dryer that I use for drying Paco off with. It's a canister vacuum style, kind of like a canister vacuum, except for it blows air out the hose instead of suck it in like, a vacuum. Yeah, I mean, there is two types of pet dryers you can purchase. One is the canister vacuum style, like I just showed you, which, I mean, you can order these online. I mean, this even looks like a little dog house there. Whoever created this dryer was pretty creative. And there's also the hair dryer style dog dryer. Go ahead and focus in here. Yeah, there's also this style of a pet dryer. Looks like, a hair dryer, except for it's designed to, dry a dog's hair instead of a human's. I mean, dog dryers, they help regulate the heat for your animal and, help level it out so you can still get your dog dry, but at the same time it's not putting out too much heat that would, suffocate your dog. Yeah, this is available at PetSmart. The name of it is Andis, brand name. So anyway, there's two types of, dog dryers I just showed you, and absolutely, I mean, you'll be needing a pet dryer designed specifically for drying a dog. I mean, whenever you dry your dog off before he goes back outside. Okay, I'm going to go outside, I'm going to get my dog, bring him to this bathroom, and we're going to let the process begin. Alright, I got my dog here, and time for ear cleaning. Put on my rubber gloves. Alright, go ahead and do Paco's left ear first. Go ahead and pour this white vinegar water solution in his ear. About that much. Kind of massage his ear nice and gently to get it all soaked in. Alright, gonna use paper towels to wipe out his ear the best I can. Gonna clean out use Q-tips to clean out the crevices real good. Nice and gently. It's okay, Paco, it's okay. I'll make sure it's nice and clean in here, maybe one more time. Alright. Now I'm going to do his other ear and show you the process further. Be back in a minute. Now I'm going to lift Paco up and put him in the bathtub. I have to lift Paco in the tub since, I mean, he's real old, 13 years, can't get in the tub by himself, and one thing I use is this old jacket, wear it as I'm lifting up so I don't get, you know, all stinky. Another thing I forgot to mention is I use this power sprayer to, you know, give Paco his bath. It works better than a standard, you know, shower head like that. I mean, it's a lot more powerful. And it came with this special connection right there that you can actually connect it to your regular shower head. Purchase that at Home Depot. They probably still sell them, but I think this right here is best thing to use to bathe your mutt. Okay, got Paco in the tub here, and I adjusted both faucet knobs so this will spray out about lukewarm water. You don't want to get your water, you know, real hot, because then, I mean, it'd be like using a regular hair dryer, as I mentioned. I mean, you don't want to use real hot water on your dog either. I mean, they just can't take it with their higher body temperature, so I adjusted the water to be just lukewarm. Now, let the bath begin. Okay, now I got Paco soaked up. Now, time to rub the shampoo in him. And hold on just a minute. I'm gonna get my gloves on, and gonna wet the washcloth here. Just a moment. Alrighty, now it's time to soak the shampoo in Paco. You can actually wear a pair of safety glasses if you don't want, you know, a drop of the shampoo to spew in your eye. I forgot to bring my safety glasses, so here we're gonna go ahead and finish wiping the rest of the shampoo in and be right back. Okay, I got all of the shampoo lathered in Paco, so we're gonna let Paco lay there, and we're gonna let that shampoo soak it in really good for about 8 minutes or so. And after it's soaked in for about 8 minutes or so, you know, to help be more efficient, I'll go ahead and lift Paco back in the tub and rinse them out real good, and see y'all in a little while. Okay, we just let the shampoo soak in. As I was just talking about, now it's time to rinse my pooch off real good. Give the water a minute or so, get the right temperature. Okay, the shampoo's all rinsed out. I'm gonna put on my old jacket here and we're gonna lift Paco out of the tub. Dry him. Paco! Getting droplets all over my wall, I see, and all over me. Use a towel to dry the bulk of the wetness out. And then we're gonna fire up the dog dryer. Okay, I'm gonna fire up the dog dryer. Be right back. Okay, Paco is all bathed, dried off, and is good to go. But anyway, that includes a whole process of some good tips for caring for a dog like Paco with skin allergies. Anyway, Christmas is coming up, so everybody happy holidays. Paco wishes you all happy holidays as well. I think he's trying to eat some popcorn specks or something underneath my chair. Well, thank y'all for watching.